Hi DevDotIn. Today I thought of doing a video on how to install Node.js along with NPM CLI. The title might not be intriguing, but the content is. So before hitting the subscribe button, please continue watching the video. We don't have to install NPM individually. It will get installed while installing Node.js. Once again, welcome back to DevDotIn. My name is Arvind and I am a web developer. Before knowing the answer of how to install Node.js, let's find some answer for what's and why's. For this, let's create a situation, which is to write and run some JavaScript code. We can write code anywhere. A notepad is more than enough. But to run it, we need an environment that is capable of running that code. You can run JavaScript code in Chrome's developer console. To open it, you have to go to Customize and Control option in the top right corner of your Chrome tab and select More tool and click on Developer tool. There, you can see the console tab in which you can write JavaScript code. Here, I am declaring a function that will add and return the argument passed into it as the values. Let's not worry about the data type now, as it is not the scope of this video. If I call the function and pass any two numbers as arguments, the return value will be consoled. See, the value is consoled. The reason it works is just like any other machines. Chrome is also running on an engine under the hood. It is called JavaScript Engine. Every browser out there uses a JavaScript engine. For example, Mozilla Firefox uses JavaScript engine called SpiderMonkey. Microsoft Edge uses Chakra and Chrome uses V8 engine. Now, what if I decided to write the same code outside the browser in my local machine or in my IDE and I want it to run there? So here I have to create an environment to run it. That's where Node.js comes into play. To keep things in short, the guy who created Node.js took the V8 engine of Chrome and built Node.js on top of it. To download Node.js, head to nodejs.org or search Node.js. The first link you will probably get is this. I also attached the link in the description. Here you can see two versions of Node.js. I suggest you to download latest LTS version. At the time of recording this video, it is 14.15.1. It might be a different version in future, but download the LTS version, whatever it may be. After it gets downloaded, click on it. Next, accept the terms and the conditions. Here you can see along with the Node.js runtime, it also showing npm and some other document shortcuts and add to path. Adding node to path is very important. If it is not added, we have to do it manually after installing the package. Click next. If we want some other additional package like chocolatey, we can check in this box. I don't need that and I am skipping it. Click next and install. It will take a couple of seconds, so I'm pausing the recording here. Once that is done, click finish. You can check if it is installed by opening the command prompt and type node space -v. It will return the version of Node.js installed. Also, you can check the same with npm. Now we have to check the Node.js is added to the environment variable. For that, open your file explorer, right click on this PC, select properties. In the window, select advanced system setting. It opens the advanced system property tab. In that, select environment variable. In the next screen, under system variable, click on the path and click on edit. If you see program files /node.js, you can confirm that path variable is added. Else you have to add it manually by clicking new and entering the path. After, click save it and exit from all of the tabs. After this, you might want to restart your system. After restarting, back in my IDE, I'm using VS Code as my IDE. I declared the same function I used in Chrome developer tool as example, and I initiated that function and saved the return value in a variable and consoling it. In the integrated terminal, which can be opened by clicking Ctrl and backtick or by selecting terminal in the view, backtick is the button before the button 1. So the terminal will open in the bottom of your IDE. If you notice, the terminal is already pointed to my workspace. Within the Node.js folder, we have node.js file. Let me change its name from Node.js to app.js to avoid some confusions. Now, in my terminal, if I run node space app.js, it will run our code. What the command means is to run the following file using Node.js. Since Node.js can understand the script, it will execute the code within the file. Now I have to click enter to execute the code in the file. Let's try one more time. Let's try it with a different example. So we successfully installed Node.js in our system. If we run some npm command, it will also work, but we will see about that in future videos. The reason I did this video is I'm planning to do a video series on JavaScript ES method. It will be really helpful if we know how to install Node.js in our system. Before I'm ending this video, I want to stress that Node.js is neither a programming language nor a framework. It's a runtime environment. If you like this video, hit on the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.